Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect KuCoin wallet to Zoo. First, it's important to understand that KuCoin wallet is a self-custody application, distinct from the KuCoin exchange. To begin, please ensure you have the KuCoin wallet app installed on your mobile device. Next, open your computer's web browser and navigate to the official Zookeeper Decentralized Application, or DApp, website. This will be our starting point for establishing the connection. Once you are on the Zookeeper DApp website, look for the Connect Wallet button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on this button to reveal a list of connection methods. You will then need to select Wallet Connect from these options. After choosing Wallet Connect, your computer screen will display a unique QR code. This code is essential for linking your mobile wallet to the DApp. Now, switch to your mobile device and open the KuCoin wallet application. Within the app, locate and tap on the Wallet Connect feature, usually found in the Profile or Settings section. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code that is currently displayed on your computer screen. Carefully review all the connection details presented in your KuCoin wallet, and then confirm the action to establish the secure link. Congratulations! Your KuCoin wallet is now securely connected to the Zookeeper Decentralized Application. You can now seamlessly interact with the DApp, manage your digital assets, and participate in various activities offered by Zookeeper. For enhanced security, it is always a good practice to disconnect your wallet from any DApp once you have finished your session. This helps protect your funds and maintain control over your digital identity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.